Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to find out iPhone's model number country code. It's a very essential so that where it was a purchase and thereupon of course we can go for bypass by console method. That will be very easy, and it's also essential for network area locks establish or get rid of it. Yes, if you would like to the locks and network area locks in which country it was, especially the first time the purchase, how do you find out? We will see now. So firstly guys, if you want to know it or the find out sales model area of especially country code of any iPhone, so that we will have to firstly type on setting to, of course we will have to come on a general guys. In general of course we will come on a about area, tap on it. Now the country code, just a model number, firstly we will take it out here. This one, see, this one guys, of course we can see here, this one ZA/A, what it means we don't know, so just we will come on this website and we will find out that the A means /A is standing for Canada, means when we planning to lock out this device, then of course we will establish the especially virtual private or precise location on your device, that is of course Canada. Now we are in a Dubai, so how do I especially establish by virtual private network? Of course we will use the here country code, that is here as we see A/A, and when we come on a especially particular device, then we can check it out here /A. All the country code is a given, so this link I will give you below the description box. It's the official website of Apple especially, so you can find out easily all the country code where it was sold guys and by establishing. Second thing, so that of course if you are unable to proceed this website, then simply we will have to go for run as administration. That is a 3U tool, that is also subsidiary tool of especially of course Apple. Now subsidiary tool means of course all the iDevice management tools. It's a third party tool, but of course it's also designed for managing of iDevice management. So here we can check it out now. So the phones especially where it is sales area regions Hong Kong, Macau, and see here Singapore, Malaysia. This is not giving the accuracy of especially these things in the sales area region, because Hong Kong and Macau, especially Macau and Singapore, Malaysia, how could be possible? There is a country model ZA/A means especially we can check it out here. ZA is of course for Singapore, and therefore second one option, that is A, is Canada. More priority, which one I will get? This is of course confusion things. Yes, we will give that is A/A is specific for Canada. It's in Hong Kong and is Macau, that is it's giving the wrong information. So more accuracy, more standardizations number, that is of course we can come with the via selection of country code and by tapping on to the model number guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, in inquiry, of course, I have the query will come across. A pleasure would be mine to reply your query, because this is very essential so that when you are planning to bypass any iPhone's activation lock, either it is network area lock, it's very essential to know to have all the information on that in this case. Serial number, model numbers, of course. So the model number, this is a serial number, and the EMI numbers, as we know that if I tap on it below those. So this is all about. Furthermore, inquiry, of course, the how the query will come, of course, the pleasure will be mine to reply. And of course, the further any confusion, any kinds of query that you would like to drop the query below the comment box, of course, and this will be my pleasure to reply. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.